How to get Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Claude AI and then search for it. Navigate to this one website option, Claude.ai. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you have to log into your Claude account in order to get access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So type in your email address over here and then click on continue with email, or also you can directly click on the option of continue with Google. For instance, I'm gonna type in my email address over here. After you type in your email address, click on continue with mail. Now you will be receiving verification code in your email address. You can go ahead and check your mail and then type in that verification code over here. You're gonna receive mail from Claude AI. Just open the mail, click on sign into Claude AI. With that, you're gonna get the code. Now you can copy the code, then paste the code over here and then click on verify email address. With that, you will be logged into your account. After you log in, now how to get access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. For that, click on the option of upgrade. Now you're gonna get two subscription plans, Pro and Team. Select the one that best suits you. I'm gonna select Pro. Click on the option of subscribe to Pro. After you subscribe to the Pro plan, you're gonna get access to these features. You have to pay $20 per month to get access to this feature. Now you have to fill this, provide full name, select country or region, provide your address line, then provide your card number, expiration date and CVC. After you provide all the details, click on subscribe and then go through the process. Once completion of the process, you're gonna get access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Likewise, if you choose team, just head back, go ahead and click on the option of create team account and then provide all of the details and go through the process for creating the account. And after you complete the process, you're gonna get access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet for the team version. Claude 3.5 Sonnet sets new industry benchmarks for graduate level reasoning, undergraduate level knowledge, and coding proficiency. It shows marked improvement in grasping nuance, humor, and complex instructions, and is exceptional at writing high-quality content with a natural lightable tone. Claude 3.5 Sonnet operates at twice the speed of Claude 3 Opus. This performance boost combined with cost-efficiency pricing makes Claude 3.5 Sonnet ideal for complex tasks such as context-sensitive customer support and orchestrating multi-step workflows. Well, this is how you can easily get Claude 3.5 Sonnet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.